twist, ties, cornrow, all those things is not helping you to get hair grow. It's helping you to break. It will support you break your hair more. So those things that I talk about today, and tomorrow. So when I'm coming, these things, that these are the practical things, basic things that I'll be talking all over, because I want this message to get to more people. I know some of our black sisters, they are so out there, they don't know how to moisturize their hair, they don't know how they can do to comb their hair. We still have, so we are in 2025, almost go ending going, but some people, we still have some people who are combing their hair without any moisturizer. They are combing their hair while their hair is dry. We still have some people who are just putting oil into, or hair butters into their hair without hydrating their hair. They just take the hair butter, the hair is dry, they put the oil inside. It will not help you. It will help you to break your hair more. So these are the basic things that we need to know, because if you are looking towards to grow your hair long, or you want your hair length to grow, then the basic things, you need to know that one. The practical things, you need to know it. If you don't know the practical, when you are going to build the house, you have to know the foundation. If you make the foundation get hard, is strong, then everything is going to be strong, because your scalp, your hair growing is coming from your scalp. So your scalp needs to be strong and get more healthier. Guys, I put something on fire. I'm coming again. I'm sorry. Thank you very much for staying tuned with me. So those are the things that I was discussing today. And now also, because of the time, I was even giving myself 30 minutes. Now 1 hour 14 or 1 hour 15 minutes. But because I'm just getting up, getting up now, so it's made the things just like, I don't know exactly how many minutes I even sit here to talk about. So tomorrow, please, 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 if you know that you haven't subscribed and you are just joining, please subscribe to our channel. And you know what I'm doing, I'm giving tips about how to grow your hair. If you have stress hair and you want to grow your hair, how you can do the practical things that you can do to grow your hair long, to maintain your hair longer, that one I'm giving tips about. And also talking tips about if you have belly fat, or if you are also chubby like me. You see how I'm chubby, eh? So if you are just like me and you have stubborn belly fat, you are looking for a way to melt your belly fat, please check the channel. You will see a lot of benefit things that you need to be drinking to melt your belly fat. For example, I post a video today, and that video is about the belly fat, the natural drinks. You can check it also and see what you can be doing to melt your belly fat. As you are melting your belly fat, you are going to glow your skin also. Not only that one, you glow your skin naturally. It will glow from the inside out, because it's not like you are going to glow from any chemicals things. You are not buying any chemicals things. What you are doing is going to be natural thing. No matter how, even if those fruit or vegetables are having chemicals, but that one is less than the one you are going to market to buy, to paint your face, to paint your body, to look to glow your skin. Use that natural one, because that one, it will help you to detox your system. It will clear your liver, which is very, very powerful. It will help you to get digestion very quickly, and it's very, very good. So that's why I'm saying, you have to watch that video and also start doing something. And also the hair growing also tips also we are doing. So here is about everything is all about natural hair and beauty care, healthy and beauty. If you want to be beautiful, if you want to glow skin, one, maybe you can ask me that, yes, my skin is glowing, even if you don't see me. I see Would you see that I'm feeling proud? That's why I'm not making makeup on my face.